Okay, lastly, I would like to suggest you some points that when you will download the file given to you, this is calendar.txt, you will open it. So I would suggest you to use Notepad++ instead of normal Notepad, because Notepad gives there can be issue of alignment and it doesn't look very professional, whereas Notepad++ it seems professional. You can see alignment, and once you will go into this language, and what language you have written in Python start with P, so go inside that and right click Python, and it will do the coloring and everything. You can see that. So that looks very professional. So the code will be aligned, and all the syntax will be colored properly, so it will be easier for you to consume. Okay, so everything is same. Here I have written a comment. You can see, if you want to give manual input, you have to write instead of this line you have to write this line. Okay, that's all you have to do. Rest everything is same, it will take care of everything. So I'll write like if I have to give 15th August 1998, then I'll write like this 15 comma in bracket 08 comma 1999. So this is something how I have to write if you want to give any manual input. Okay, else you can also do it via program while running it. So let me switch it back to what it was. So in input, and you can see you can play around with this. Okay, so this is something I wanted to mention, and I will show you to run this. In running mode I will show you. So there is a IDE I have, Python shell. I'll open this file. So it is available in desktop. Okay. So desktop, it is available. Where it was available? Oh no, I have to make new file, right? There is not. I'll take this whole code and I'll paste it in my IDE, and I'll save it. Save as some random name I'll write, and I'll save it in desktop. Save, and I'll run it, so that you will see it is running. So I have to give input in a space form. So what is the date? Today's date only, 27 space 04 April space 2021. I'll put invalid month. Okay, it has to be between 2000 to 3000. It is correct, right? 2021. What's the problem? Constraint 2000 to what's the problem? So I have given the input in correct fashion, right? It is 1 minute. So it is DDMM DDMM. So input DDMM so it will take care of everything, right? DDMM. Constraint is out of range. How it is? Which is out of range? Year or month? So month is out of range. I have given in a wrong format, I think. 04 27 2021. Syntax error. Okay, sorry. So let me run it. I had to run again. So now let me give the input 04 27 2021. Yeah, I was giving wrong input. So it was month, day, and 2021. So let's this is month, and this is day, and it is fine. Let me do it the same thing but without input. Let me do like this. So 0A4 04, what is this, 27, and this is 1 2021. Okay, so I'll copy it, give it to my IDE, which is here like this, and it should work. Tuesday, yeah. So input has to be given in mmdd y. Have I done any mistake? I mean, it is correct. The constraint has to be between 2000 to 3000. That is fine. It is starting from 0. Correct. If I remember, I was giving input in. Okay, yeah, correct. It is correct. So let me get back to it. So here I'll get back, and you can play around with this. Okay, so I'll save it. Just wanted to tell you that use Notepad++ and how it should be, and you can play around with the code. Okay, if you feel that you can optimize it in a much more better way, then you are most welcome. I mean, I'm not a professional coder, or I'm not from computer science background, so pardon my variable naming and all. I'm not that experienced. Maybe you will come up with better names or better algorithm, then it is yours now. Okay, so hopefully you have enjoyed this challenge. I mean, you've liked the from scratch calendar type of thing, although the problem was not such a big thing. By using just a module or just a function, using a function would fetch you everything, but building it from scratch is a really good practice and exercise. So it was a week-long project for me, I feel. Okay, so hopefully you've liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.